Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and I'm also co-founder of beauty and grooming company MetroLook. Today we're going to talk about how to make cheap hair weave shiny. Now, when we say cheap, it doesn't necessarily have to be the cheapest, but sometimes when you buy hair in a pack, after a while the hair starts to get dull. And sometimes you know who you are. You buy a cheap weave, it costs like $10 for a pack, and then it gets dull fast. But I'm going to show you how to revive it and make it look pretty again. So for this, I like to use argan oil. So argan oil is argan trees that grow in Morocco, and it's great for giving your hair shine, and it actually smells really, really nice too. And not that your weave needs it, but it actually promotes healthy hair. But the hair's fake, but you know what? You're supposed to treat weave hair like you would treat your own hair. That way it makes it last longer. So you start off by just putting a little product in. A little bit goes a long way, and if it's not enough, you can always put more, but it's harder to take product out than it is to build it up slowly. So you warm the product in your hair, then you just run it through from root to tip. And being the person that I am, I like to comb it through as well, just so I know that the product is being distributed evenly. And look, the hair is nice and pretty and shiny, and it smells great, and it leaves it soft as well. So I'm T. Cooper, and I hope that this helped you. Thank you for watching.